Yes, let's start the recording also, students. So we have sums from surface area and volumes. There are sums from book Arihant, right? They can prepare you for the competition also. So for that, there are some basic things I want you to know. Okay, students, 1 meter cube container contains how much kg of water? Anyone can tell? 1 meter cube container. Suppose we have a container, its length is 1 meter, its breadth is 1 meter, its height is also 1 meter. So how much water will be contained in that? Can anyone tell me?
1,000 liters.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now 1000 liter is approximately equal to 1000 kg also. So this gives us density of water. That is mass by volume. How much mass? 1000 kg can be contained in 1 meter cube. So we say 1000 kg per meter cube is the density of the water, right? So this is approximately 1 kg is approximately equal to 1 liter also. This is the understanding, basic understanding, right? Now we go further. He says a cubical water tank can hold uh, 50,000 liter of water. Okay, it says length and depth of tank are, this is the length, this is 250 centimeter, and the depth is 250 centimeter is the length, and the depth is 10 meter. Depth is 10 meter. Now, what is the breadth of the tank? We want to calculate breadth of the tank, right? So, yes, students, can you tell how we can do? Or Deep, can you tell how we can do?
Sir, we will change the 50,000 liters into meter.
Meter cubed. Don't say meter. Falgun, you are really doing
Meter.
good, but concentrate on mic. Mic मुंह के पास में रखो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we can say 50,000 liter. We have to convert into this thing. So how we will convert? So we know 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. 1000 liter will occupy the volume of 1 meter cube. So 1 liter will occupy the volume of 1 by 1000. So 50,000 liter. So it will be 1 by 1000 into 50,000. So this is basically 50 meter cube. 50 meter. make excited हो गया 50 meter cube. Okay, ऐसे करते हैं 50 meter cube. So that means the volume is 50 meter cube, and volume is equal to what? Falgun,
L
length
into
into,
B,
oh, Falgun is
breadth into height.
very good. So L into B into H is this. So obviously we will get B is equal to 50 meter cube divided by, yes, Deep, yes, Monrose, 50 meter cube divided by length and into height. So what is height? 10. What is length, Deep?
1.5 meters.
Very good. Well, I have taken everything into place. So everything should be in meters, right? So this is 50 divided by 25, that is equal to 2 meter would be the breadth. And also students, you will see 10 meter into 10 meter. See that meter is meter square, meter cube divided by meter square is equal to meter raised to power 3 minus 2, that is equal to meter, and that is the unit of breadth. Very good. Yes, students, we have another question. All right. So these are the questions apart from, you can say, beyond NCRT for 9 students. He says the volume is given as 648 under root 3 centimeter cube. All right. This is the volume of a cube, students. Okay. Now he says find the total surface area. So I give you 2 minutes. वॉल्यूम आ गई है बस वो पढ़ लें ओके स्टूडेंट वॉल्यूम तो लिखी है गया नहीं मतलब साइड आ गई है so students volume is given the total surface area is 6 into side scale because when you talk about a cube this is the I'm sorry I've drawn a rectangle it should be like a square So this should be square, right? Square area is side into side, right? So I can say the total surface area is 6 side square. So I need side. If I have side, I'll find volume. But volume is equal to side cube. Side cube or a cube is the volume. This is given 648 under root 3. So I just want to find out that number. If I multiply that number 3 times, I should get this thing, right? So I can do that by factorizing 648. What are the factors? Tell me. So maybe
2 into 2 into 2.
so I think maybe I can 4 ones are 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, right? So it will be now 8, 1, beautiful. So this is going to be mm, 9,
9 anxiety.
right? So I can say, yes, anyone is speaking? Come on. So I can say side cube, a cube is equal to 9 into 9 into 2 into 4 into under root 3. All right, very interesting sum. Now we want to find triplets. We don't want to have doubles. We want to have triplets, right? Then we will get the answer. So better we break down 9 also. It's 3 into 3. So this 9 is also 3 into 3. This is 2. 4 is 2 into 2 into under root 3. Beautiful. Now student, the problem is we have got one triplet. Okay. We have got second triplet too. One triplet is 3. But what is the third triplet? Yes, there is third triplet. It's hidden. It's like butter not seen in the milk. But butter is there. So beautiful. Why didn't you do it yourself? So 3 is root 3 into root 3. Now I take the third triplet, students. That is root 3 into 3 cube into 2 cube. Right? So I can say this is under root 3 into 3 into 2 whole cube. Beautiful. So a cube is equal to this cube. Obviously. Then what is a? It is 6 under root 3. Shabash Mansimrat Kaur. When I have a is equal to 6 under root 3, obviously total surface area, guys, would be equal to 6 into side square. That is 6 under root 3 all square. So this is going to be 6 into 6 6 is 36 into 3. So this is going to be 6 3 is 18, 18 into 36. Whatever is the answer is
108.
centimeter square. It is how much?
108 centimeter square.
108. Never. It will be more, I think. 36 into 18. Come on.
Into 6 also. 640.
648.
Wow, Deep is there. 648. There are some stupid people here. Don't worry, Deep. 640.
48.
I'm sorry, 648. Okay. Yeah, Deep, I didn't tell you. I told some other person. There are some very bullshit people here. Okay, so you have done it. All right. Okay, guys. Now he says the total volume of the cube is 2744 centimeter cube. Find the total surface area. Find total surface area. This is the second sum, the similar sum like this. So I just want, let's see who does it first. And you can speak also.